Hello, today we will guide you through how to find chat history Zoom. If you need to look back at previous messages in Zoom, the good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to get to your chat area so you can locate your past conversations quickly and easily. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop application, since that's where the navigation shown in this guide will appear. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible. If you're not already signed in, you may need to sign in first before continuing, but the main goal here is simply to get into the Zoom application. After Zoom is open, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. This is where Zoom organizes key sections of the app, making it easier to move between meetings, contacts, and messaging features. In this left navigation area, look for the chat option. Depending on your version of Zoom, the layout may look slightly different, but the chat section should still appear in the main navigation area on the left. Taking a second to identify this panel can help you get oriented if you don't use Zoom Chat often. Once you've found chat in the left navigation, go ahead and click on it. This opens the chat section where your conversations and message history are stored. From here, you can browse through existing chats and locate the conversation you want to review. This is the area where Zoom keeps your direct messages and other chat threads, so if you're trying to find previous communication, this is the correct place to start. As a quick tip, if you have many conversations, it may help to scan the chat list carefully and look for the person, group, or channel you want to revisit. Staying within the chat section is the key step because that's where your history becomes available for viewing. And that's all there is to it. You open the Zoom app, find the chat option in the left navigation, and click it to access your chat history. Once you know this path, it becomes much easier to return to older conversations whenever you need them.